My name is Alessandro Pistocchi. The name of my business is Yomu Limited. I work primarily as a freelancer developing mainly iOS apps and some games for clients. I always wanted to kind of go independent and build my own products and sell them, but it turned out I didn't know how to market them. So I was developing something, maybe spending 6 months on a piece of software and then doing some advertising, getting no return, and that was it. It was pretty much the end of it, because I would have finished my budget and I would have to go back into contracting again. Before coming to this event, I tried reading some books about marketing, looking up on the internet how people did it and stuff like that, and it looked like it was an enormous amount of work that I simply didn't have the budget to cover for. So I thought I needed something new, something different.
Excellent. And how has this marketing course solved that problem for you?
I would recommend taking this course to everyone who is in a position similar to mine. I had many colleagues over the years who wanted to do their own product but did not know how to market it. And for them, if they're serious about this, I really recommend to take this course as soon as they can, because they will be blown away. Because technical people, normally, they study a lot, they learn a lot of things, of techniques, but they don't learn how to market them. And that is, hopefully, it can be learned quite quickly, like it happened to me during these 3 days, but you have to go to the pros in that area if you want to learn it.